In Srinagar, the reopening of Raghunath Mandir after 36 years on Navami has become a symbol of hope, harmony, and shared heritage. The grand event saw members of both communities come together, reflecting Kashmir's timeless spirit of brotherhood, mutual respect, and composite culture, reinforcing the enduring message of peace and unity in the valley.
Kashmir, the land of Sufis and saints, where faith has always found a shared voice, witnessed a poignant moment of reunion and harmony as the Raghunath Mandir in Habba Kadal reopened after 36 years. On the occasion of Ram Navami, the temple came alive with prayers, devotions, and emotion as Kashmiri Pandits returned to a space deeply rooted in their memories. The celebrations were not just about rituals but about reconnecting with a shared past.
जैसा कि आप जानते हैं सारी जगह रामनवमी का पर्व मनाया जा रहा है तो मैंने ज़्यादा प्रेफर किया कि नहीं 36 साल के बाद जो राम मंदिर जो खुला है यहाँ पे तो यहाँ जाना अच्छा लगेगा तो हम ही भजन के लिए यहाँ पे आए हैं ताकि भगवान के चरणों में अपने श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित कर सकें.
In a touching display of brotherhood, local Muslim residents joined in, welcoming their Pandit neighbors with open hearts. Their participation echoed the true essence of Kashmiriyat, the spirit of coexistence, mutual respect, and cultural unity that defines the valley.
हम बोलता है खुदा, हिंदू बोलता है भगवान, मगर उन्होंने संभाला, उन्हें बर्दाश्त किया. आज तो बहुत अच्छा माहौल, ये तो बड़ा अच्छा है, बड़ा अच्छा है. ये हमारे लिए अच्छा है, हिंदू के लिए हम भाई भाई है, यहाँ भाई भाई है, रहेगा कयामत तक.
Supported by administrative efforts to restore and facilitate the event, the reopening became a symbol of healing and togetherness. More than a temple reopening, it marked the revival of trust, shared heritage, and the enduring belief that Kashmir's soul lies in its unity.